the levels of organization. It starts off with the chemical levels, then moves to the macromolecules, and then the cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and the organisms or the whole body level, which consists of a whole person, the population or environment level, which involves the interaction of the person with his or her environment. See there, I made a levels of organization chart. Okay. The homeostasis, which is negative and positive feedback. The positive feedback, an example of that would be fruit ripening. There's a release of ethanol, which will continue the ripening process of the fruit, Negative feedback, an example of that would include the level of glucose in the blood as more glycation. Okay. Posterior view is the back view of the body. It's closer to the posterior surface of the body. And then the anterior view is the front view. It's closer to the anterior surface of the body. The superior and inferior. The heart is superior to the liver, and the liver is superior to the heart. The superior is towards the head end of the body, the upper part of the body. The inferior is away from the head, lower part of the body. The medial lateral. Lateral refers to something to the sides of the body. Medial describes structures close to the midline or closer to the midline than other structures. The distal proximal. The proximal means closer to the origin of the structure, and distal means further away from the origin of the structure. So there's the proximal, which is up here, and the distal is down here. The superficial and deep. Superficial is a directional term used to describe the position of one structure relative to the surface of the body or to another underlying structure. Deep is the exact opposite of superficial. It indicates that a structure is further away from the external surface of the body. So deep would be like the inside, and the superficial would be like the outer layer.